Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a girl with a ponytail holding a heart-shaped balloon. Grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. First we will begin by sketching the basic shape of the girl's head. Draw a simple oval in the center of your paper. This will be our guide for the head. Next, let's add the guideline for the face. Draw a vertical line down the center of the oval and a horizontal line about halfway down. These lines will help us place the facial features accurately. Now let's sketch the body. Start with a small neck below the head and then draw a curved line for the shoulders. From the shoulders, draw two lines that come down to form the torso. Remember, this is just a basic sketch to keep your lines light. For the arms, we will have one arm holding the balloon heart. Draw a line extending from the shoulder to where the hand will be. The other arm can be resting by her side. Sketch the shapes for the arms and hands lightly. Next, let's draw her dress. Start by drawing the outline of the dress around the torso. Oh, I forgot one thing. Draw the ponytail starting from the top or back of her head and let it flow down gracefully. You can make it a simple cute dress with a flared skirt. Add some details like folds and patterns to make it more interesting. Now for the heart-shaped balloon, draw a heart shape. Now for the heart-shaped balloon, draw a heart shape above her head, making it large and noticeable. Add a string connecting the balloon to her hand. Make sure the string overlaps her arm to give a realistic feel. Finally, it's Finally, let's add some finishing touches, erase any unnecessary guidelines and go over your lines with a darker pencil or pen to make the drawing stand out. You can also add some shading and color to bring your drawing to life. And there you have it, a cute girl with a ponytail holding a heart-shaped balloon. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like and comment.